Alright, we're getting into it today, guys. I think we're going to need the boots. Subscribe to see this thing up and running within 3 weeks. We'll be getting the 250 running pretty soon. Already took the shock out of the back here. I'll paint that up, grease it up a little bit. I'm not going to tear it apart. It doesn't look too oily. Looks real nice. And I was able to get this air box out. Had to take the rear shock out to do that. So that was a little bit of a pain, but got a little piece broken off right here. That's this piece. I'm going to epoxy that back on so we have another spot to fasten it. Hold the battery on. Got this air box in the sink and washed it out with soap and degreasers. And got an air filter for it. So as you can see, she's not in too bad a shape, just a little bit of rust. Not too many miles, almost 4,300, but got a little grease and gunk on her. Chain needs cleaned up, so I'm going to do that right now. Alright, you can see what we got ourselves into out there, so as to not do all this on the driveway. But I am going to basically degrease and clean this whole thing. Scrub her off, scrub the chain. Plan to line the fuel tank again. And got this Maxima contact cleaner. Got 3 cans of it for about 20 bucks. And we are going to go shine her up. I got to be at work in about 2 hours and 18 minutes, so we'll see what we can do. Alright, so we got her cleaning. Oh man, this chain is filth. She is crusty. A little bit of elbow grease. A little bit of elbow grease. She's starting to get a little clean. I might take the whole back tire off and take the chain off completely with the master link. I'm just not sure yet. I don't know if I should paint it first or put the carburetor back on and run it first. It's a tough one. subscribe to see this thing up and running within 3 weeks.